Hello, Pierre. How you doing today?
Hello, Pierre. How you doing today?
How is everybody doing today?
How is everybody doing today?
No.
How is everybody doing today?
Why do we always get Tom?
Why do we always get Tom? Why do we always get Tom doing today?
He ain't doing the ananas will not be allowed.
We're not doing today.
Tom won't see us ever again.
Tom will see us will not be allowed. Tom will see us ever again.
Why are you here?
Why are you here doing today?
Tom doesn't belong in this app.
Tom does will not be allowed. Tom doesn't belong in it.
Why would you miss a word?
Why would you belong in it? Why would you miss a word?
Why did you nanana twice?
Why did you doesn't belong in it? Why did you twice?
Okay. Tom, we're ready for a break.
Tom, we're ready twice. Tom, we're ready for a break.
This isn't good. This isn't good. Just keep having Tom coming.
This isn't good just for a break.
No.
This isn't good just keep having Tom.
Okay. Okay, Tom, I'm annoyed by it.
Okay, Tom, I'm annoyed by it. Okay, Tom, I'm annoyed by it. For a break.
Tom, I'm gonna put. Let's play the guitar, Pierre.
Let's play the just keep having Tom.
All right.
Bang, bang.
Who are you shooting guns at?
Who are you shooting guitars? Who are you shooting guns at?
Tom, that's not for you. That's not your concern.
Tom, that's not guns at. Tom, that's not for you. That's not your concern.
Come on, Cog, get out of here.
Come on, guns at.
Got rid of him for good.
Get rid of him for good. Get rid of him for good. Get out of here.
This is the end of this video.
This is the end of for you. That's not your concern. This is the end of this video.
We'll see you next time. Goodbye, everybody.